Hey everybody, Robert here from R&G Garage. Got some truck scoopage. I was going to do one of the little short story posts, but I guess we're too small. They won't let us do that. Big guy keeping the little guy down. All right, shop truck update. I didn't forget about you truck people. If you're new here, this is my 1953 Chevy pickup truck. And if you go back, you can see some of the videos of, us getting it running and, driving. So I was on the marketplace last week, and I think we scored good for the truck. It was, I was going to wait till Saturday to pick it up, and I was like, people say, yeah, I'll hold on to it. And then, 3 hours later, you see sold on there. Oh, somebody showed up, and so it was an hour and a half drive one way, so I just went straight after work at 5 o'clock, drove an hour and a half, talked to the guy, made a deal, and then drove back home. And boy, that was a long day, but I'm glad we got it. And let me show you what we got. All right, it's 97 S10 10 bolt. He's got the Detroit axle rotors on there. I think it's like a 3-4-2 gear ratio. Looks like he's got brand new everything on. He went through all the way through everything. New seals. I have a regular rear end or 10 bolt from I think it's like a 71 Chevelle, but it's too wide. So they say the primo deal is, an S10 Blazer. Yeah, I'm not a big S10 buff, but I guess in 97 they made a SS S10, it came with a factory posi. So that's what this is. And so that's cool. I mean, a posi, this is the smaller 10 bolt, the 7 point something. But for that old truck, it would be fine. The guy was going to put it in his little race truck and got so much horsepower, he's like, this thing ain't going to hold up. So here's the other S10 rear end. This looks like, pretty factory right out. This, of course, obviously isn't the posi. Got the drum brakes. He's like, if you want it, you can have it. I'm like, heck yeah, let's throw it on there. And then he also threw in these wheels and tires. I mean, the two front ones almost look like the tires are brand new. Back ones are a little wider. But they would be good rollers. I mean, I don't really care for the little hole wheels, but for free, heck yeah, I'll take them. So everything all together was $325. And I was gonna, of course, have every intention of trying to talk him down, but after everything he threw in there, I didn't even haggle with him. I said deal. This truck is a 3600 8 lug. I mean, it rides like an old farm truck. So I think we got everything to convert it over to the 3100, the half ton. I mean, we got the chassis from the 50, and then we have that other rear end. So I think we got everything that we could probably need. And but right now we're working on the Chevelle, and then once we get that up and running, we'll pull the truck up there and start swapping out the drivetrain on this. So, all right, we're just doing a quick update video. I'll tell you what, it is like 93, 94 degrees out, today. I'm about ready to have a heat stroke. But appreciate everybody watching, and consider subscribing if you want to see more of the action. And we'll catch you on the next video.